What's up YouTube? For this video, I want to talk about a color I'm really passionate about, and that color is yellow. As you can see on this table, I have a handful of yellow sneakers, and believe it or not, yellow is one of my favorite colors. I understand that yellow can be an intimidating color to rock, especially for guys, but hopefully this video will change your mind or at least give you a different perspective. And so for this video, I have 5 different yellow sneakers that I'm gonna rock. I'm basically gonna curate a different outfit for each pair of sneakers, and with each outfit, I'm just gonna explain my thought process. Hopefully this video will provide some inspiration or outfit ideas as to how to style yellow sneakers like these. So with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, here is the first fit. This is a very simple fit that features these kicks, and these are the Nike and Sacai and Undercover collab with the Citron colorway. This is a very simple fit where all I have on is a cream colored athletic t-shirt from the Gap, and I have some black soccer pants from Nike. I wanted the yellow to stand out on the shoes, so I went with a neutral top and a neutral bottom. This cream and this black tends to pair well with the other color palettes along the sneaker, but again, I wanted the yellow to stand out by itself. So this is a very simple fit that I would just wear for a quick errand or just on a very casual day out. Something to mention, this is a trend that I feel like I've been on for a while. I really like this tucked in pants into your crew sock type of look. It's inspired by a lot of NBA players that have been doing it for a while, and I feel like it's a cool athleisure type of style where it just allows you to show off your kicks a little more, and it's also kind of a layering type of aesthetic. If you yourself really like this look, or if you're going to try to pull off this look for yourself, I have 2 tips. Tip number 1 is that you do need some good quality and fairly thick crew socks. And tip number 2 is that as for the pants, you will need some pants that are very slim fitting or has a slim taper at the bottom. If you have pants that are too baggy or too roomy, it's just going to look too poofy, and it's going to make the aesthetic not so slim or tapered. It's just going to come off as kind of like this parachute type of effect, and it won't be as pleasing, at least in my opinion. The style that I like to go for is that the pants have a slim taper towards the leg. The crew socks are somewhat thick just to continue with that coherency and that dimension, and so it allows for a smoother aesthetic. Again, this is just my opinion, but just a style that I've really been into lately. Alright, here is the next fit. This fit features the Karhu Fusion 2.0s, and pairing these kicks, I got on a yellow dress shirt from Polo and just some basic slacks from Old Navy. In terms of styling this fit, I'm really just going for a proper / dad type of look. I think the Karhu Fusion 2.0s are a really underrated sneaker. These are actually one of my favorite sneakers right now because not only are they really comfortable, but I just like the overall colorway that they used on this pair specifically. The yellow hue is a very nice subtle touch that just gives it a pop of color, and again, these shoes are really comfortable on feet. Given the chunky aesthetic as well, I just thought why not go with a dad type of look. And so of course I got the baggy bomber jacket and some dress pants from Old Navy. Just a quick tip I wanted to bring up about these pants. These pants actually only cost me $7. You can really find some decent pants on the clearance rack of any store, and really the thing too is that as long as you know how to tailor your own pants, you can make any pants, no matter how cheap they are out of pocket, really fit to your proportions, and you can really pull off a more luxurious aesthetic without the price tag. Alright, for this next fit, I wanted to feature these Nike Acronym Prestos. I feel like these shoes had its hype and its run in around 2018 or something like that, but I really like these shoes because they're pretty comfortable and I really like the bright yellow tongue. Because these sneakers are more along the lines of tech wear aesthetic, I wanted to go with the outerwear / tech wear type of vibe. So basically for the pants, I got on some black cargo pants from Foot Locker, and I got a crew neck sweater from Stone Island. I think the black pants are pretty self-explanatory, but I particularly went with these cargo pants because of the tech wear aesthetic, given the multitude of pockets and also the strings and the toggles on the cuff just to add that tech wear dimension. And then when it comes to the top, I'm rocking the Stone Island crew neck, particularly because 1, the Stone Island badge perfectly matches the tongue of the shoes, and 2, Stone Island themselves as a brand are known for their tech wear outerwear clothing. This crew neck is one of my favorites. It's a really thick wool type of material, and again, I just thought it was a perfect match for these tech wear inspired shoes. In terms of this vest, this is pretty much optional. It's just something I would throw on top just for an extra layering effect. This vest is from Zara. It's just a brown and olive vest that just adds, again, some neutral color, but just adds a little more to the whole outfit altogether. I feel like tech wear as a style in general is still a little bit ahead of its time. But specifically as it relates to these shoes right here, these are one of my favorite shoes because it's very unique. There's really not any other sneaker like these, given the design and the aesthetic and the properties that make the shoe what it is. But from a practical standpoint, I think I've only worn these shoes like once or twice ever since I bought them. I just really like the yellow pop on the tongue though, and it definitely just adds a hit of color. It draws attention for sure, and hopefully this is a shoe that I will be rocking a lot more in the future. Alright, here's the next outfit, and it features these Jordan 4 Lightnings. These are definitely the most yellow sneakers I have on this list. In my mind, I had a couple of ideas as to how to style these sneakers. At first, I wanted to go with something a little more conservative and muted, but after giving it some thought, I was like, if these sneakers are loud and vibrant, I might as well go with a vibrant outfit. So in my mind, this is somewhat of a vibrant yet subtle outfit in a way, but I think it works. Basically what I have is up top is a bright flannel from Urban Outfitters, and then I have some gray wash jeans from Levi's. Of course, with the sneakers being a loud yellow with some hits of gray, I wanted to go off the gray theme. But really when it comes to this flannel, I actually found this flannel some time ago. I thought this flannel matched well with these shoes because not only does it have hits of yellow, of course, but it also has other colors such as teal and a little bit of blue. When you hear teal, blue, and yellow together, you wouldn't think that they go well together at first, right? But when I saw this flannel, I really thought it worked. These three colors put together is somewhat abstract, but again, it really just depends on the tone of the colors, and I think these three colors work well together. So yeah, even though these yellow sneakers are the standout piece of the outfit, I didn't want the shoes to just stand out all by itself, so I kind of found another vibrant top to go with the shoes. And again, I just wanted to add a little more color beyond just yellow, so the hits of teal and the hits of blue on this shirt, I feel like just brings everything together. Just another detail to this outfit, I put on a hoodie underneath, which is also gray. Again, it's just another layering piece, not only to keep me warm, of course, but it also goes along the gray tones with the jeans and the shoes. I don't think I've seen a lot of other people style these yellow Jordans with any other colors. Most people would go the conservative or safe route with the toned down browns and olive greens and stuff like that, but again, this teal and this yellow is a great match in my opinion. So don't be afraid to experiment with different colors beyond just one or two. Sometimes these three colors that, again, might not sound like they go together at first, might actually work out. So don't be afraid to experiment with your colors. Alright, for this next outfit, I wanted to feature these Nike Air Force Ones that I customized with the yellow swoosh. This outfit is going more along the lines of this earth tone / cozy type of vibe. Basically what I got on is a top from Lululemon, and these shorts are also from Lululemon. With this sneaker in particular, this is the Nike Air Force One and Pendleton collaboration, and you can see that this gives off a very cozy / sweater type of look, and so yeah, basically that's the outfit I'm going for as well. I feel like earth tones have really been the wave lately in terms of fashion. I love the color palettes of earth tone colors in general. They're muted, they're subtle, and it definitely doesn't look like you're doing too much, if at all. This yellow swoosh that I implemented into these kicks is like kind of a dark mustardy type of yellow, which I think goes along that earth tone palette. And just to add a little pop of color in the outfit, I just put on a yellow shirt underneath the sweater. Just some quick details behind these Lulu pieces. This sweater is called the City Sweat crewneck sweater, and these shorts are the utility cargo shorts with the 8-inch inseam. I really like this sweater because I love the colorway, I like how it's really lightweight and breathable, and I really like this touch of the single zipper on the side of the waist. It's just a little stylish component that I think is cool to layer, and you can show off a little hit of color underneath, and it has a little hidden pocket underneath as well for a functional component to store your things. In terms of these shorts, I really like these shorts as well because not only are they have a utility component to them, they have plenty of storage space in terms of the cargo pockets, and these are apparently water resistant and abrasion resistant as well. So very utilitarian type of shorts that you can wear to go hiking or do a lot of exercise and stuff like that. And lastly, down to the feet, I went with no-show socks only because, again, I was going for a very chill look. So yeah, overall, I really do like this shade of yellow. It's a little darker, it's a little toned down and not so much in your face. And I really feel like even though it is subtle, it does really amplify your outfit and take that look to the next level without doing too much. So even though the main premise of this video was about how to style yellow sneakers, it's not really just all about the color. Some other components with outfit building is, again, not just the color, but also considering the vibe and the aesthetic that the sneaker gives off. For example, if you have a sneaker that gives off more like comfortable, cozy vibes, then you go with more of a cozy outfit. If you have a sneaker like this that's a little more tech wear inspired, then of course you go with a more tech wear inspired fit, and so on and so forth. This is just the person that I am, but I really do like to be analytical about things, maybe even sometimes over analytical. I'll say this time and time again that at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. If you like what you're wearing, that's all that matters most. I would love to hear your feedback though. Do you guys enjoy these type of videos relating to how to style things, or just kind of more breaking down my thought process behind outfit building? Personally for me, I enjoy making these types of videos, but I would love to make more of these as long as there's an interest or a demand for them. So please let me know in the comments below. If you made it this far though, I really do hope you took something away from this video, and I hope this video did give you guys some outfit ideas or inspiration as to how to style yellow sneakers. So if you did find this video helpful, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It'll help me out a lot. And consider subscribing for more content on styles, sneakers, and science. While you're at it, be sure to check out my previous how to style videos here or here. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.